In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and understand your chess.com stats. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your performance data, what each section means, and how to use it to guide your improvement. On the web version of chess.com, start by moving your mouse to the site's logo at the top and hovering over it. In the menu that appears, select Stats. This opens your personal statistics hub, where everything is organized to help you see progress at a glance. Front and center, you'll see your rating graphs. These show how your rating has changed over time. Think of them as your performance timeline. Each point represents a game session that affected your rating, so steady climbs usually reflect consistency, while sharp dips might point to off days or unfamiliar openings. Use this view to recognize when you're trending upward and to notice patterns, like whether you perform better on certain days or after a warm-up. Just below, you'll find your game breakdowns. This summarizes your wins, losses, and draws. It's helpful for checking your overall balance, but also for spotting streaks. If you see a cluster of losses, it may be a good reminder to slow down, review some games, or switch to a longer time control for more thoughtful play. Next, explore opening performance. This section groups your results by opening, showing which lines are helping you and which might be holding you back. If an opening consistently yields poor results, that's a clear signal to review key ideas or try a simpler setup. Conversely, openings with strong outcomes can become reliable weapons in your repertoire. There's also your game history, essentially a running list of your recent games. It's a straightforward way to recall what you played, against whom, and how it went. Use it as a quick reference to connect results in your history with your rating graph and opening performance. Along the top, you can filter by time control, blitz, rapid, or bullet. This matters because your strengths can differ depending on pace. For example, you might be solid in rapid but volatile in bullet. Switch between these filters to compare trends and make targeted practice decisions. Finally, if you have access to the Insights tab, you'll get deeper analysis, including accuracy patterns and common mistakes across phases of the game. It's a powerful way to convert your stats into actionable training. That's it. Now you know how to find and make sense of your chess.com stats so you can train smarter and play with purpose.